You can carry real project pressure. You manage deadlines, you solve problems, you keep work moving. But have you ever felt like your professional value is still not being reflected at the level it should? Maybe you've had that moment before. A project role opens up, a promotion, conversation starts, a leadership discussion is happening, and the person with the stronger project management profile is the one people take more seriously first. That gap is frustrating because it's not always about who is working harder. Sometimes it's about who looks more credible on paper, who sounds more structured in the room, who is easier for employers and decision makers to trust with bigger responsibility. And hard work should not remain invisible forever. But that is why the PMP certification training matters. PMP does not just help you prepare for an exam, it helps you strengthen your project management foundation, sharpens how you think, and positions you with a globally respected credential that gives you experience more weight. At J.K. Michaels, we help serious professionals prepare with more structure, more clarity, more confidence, so that you're not just doing the work, presenting yourself at the level the work deserves. Let's take, for instance, Amaka worked as a project coordinator in the financial service sector. She had already been handling real project responsibilities, but she knew her profile was not fully reflecting her value. She also knew PMP felt serious, and she did not want to prepare the wrong way and waste a whole lot of time. But after attending the J.K. Michaels PMP certification training, she became more structured in her preparation, learned better ways to approach the questions, pick up practical tips and tricks, and passed at her first sitting. More importantly, she came out of the process with stronger confidence, clearer project language, and more credible professional presence. That's the shift. Not just another certificate, but stronger positioning, better confidence, and a project management profile that is harder to overlook. If you're ready to stop underselling your value and start building the kind of project management credibility that gives your experience more weight, join the J.K. Michaels Project Management Professional Certification Training today. See you in class. Think training, think J.K. Michaels. Think training impact, think J.K. Michaels. Bye for now.